Well, this episode is a little bit different. I figured I'd do a special showcase on something, and I'm in the middle of a major project, moving stuff around. Figured while I'm doing it, let me show you what this is. So, right here we have a 1994 JCB 214 backhoe, and I happen to be moving a junk car and finally getting it out of here. I built my bus with this engine, and now it's time to get this out and scrap it. But I figured while I have it out here, let me show you what this machine's capable of doing. I mean, good Lord, we just have some forks under there, pick this thing right up like it was no problem. We do everything with this backhoe, it's unbelievable. I will show you everything I can do about it. I mean, this thing will dig to 15 feet. It's a 94, it's a 4-cylinder Perkins diesel engine. Really, a really cool backhoe. Now, and overall, it's a backhoe for crying out loud. It's in backhoe shape. It's used, it's industrial equipment. You get what you pay for with these things. I figured why buy a cheap backhoe, because you're only gonna abuse it and really put some wear and tear on it. I do a lot with logs and sawmilling and do nonsense like this. When I set the boiler, I was able to pick the boiler up. It weighed 2,000 pounds, and able to pick this up and move this and hopefully get it on a trailer and drive it around here without smashing everything. We'll try. It's a little bit of a challenge. It's kind of really just like driving a car. I might have to do this a couple times to get the right angle to get out of here. Go forward again. But I mean, you can go super slow, which is exactly what you need to do in a backhoe. And what this thing has the cab on it, so you have your ROPS, or rollover protection system, all over the whole thing, which is, you know, a nice peace of mind and security in a big machine like this. You have heat, which when you're out plowing and goofing around in the winter is amazing and awesome. I wish we had air conditioning as well. That would have come in another year after this model. And other than that, geez, I have no complaints. It does everything I want. It's 4-wheel drive. Has the selector right here. Right now I usually run it 2-wheel almost all the time. That will probably hear a little better here. It's got a turbo diesel engine in it, which, you know, that little turbo makes a difference. It adds significant power to a machine. Gotta make sure I snake this through here without hitting anything. Kind of tight. Tricky to keep filming and talk and do all this at the same time, and I don't know how I'm gonna do any of this part. But good God, let's see. Just clearing that. Just clearing that. Woo! But yeah, that bus right there is where this engine went to. The 2.2. Okay, well, now I should probably go just so I can get this situated with, oh, I dropped a piece of steel. Let me get that. Maybe I can get a good shot of what this looks like from down there now. We kind of keep moving. All right. Like I said, what a great backhoe. That got us to here. The goal is to try to get it up on that trailer so I can scrap this. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we'll try. The rest of the car's shot. Little head stuck in there. There she is in all her glory. 94, 214. It's a 90 horsepower diesel, maybe it's 96. And it has the cab, so you have all that protection. This is an extend-a-hoe. Oh, awesome. It enables you to dig it like 15 feet deep, and you can really reach out, pick up logs and other junk. God, you can drive this down the road. I've driven it quite a ways. You know, you go 20, 25 miles an hour, so it takes twice as long to really get somewhere as driving a car. But you have your machine and you can use it. That was a big perk of buying this. I didn't need to have a trailer to necessarily haul it everywhere. I pick up the set of forks for picking up logs and cars and other junk as well. Overall, it's a pretty tough rig. I'll do some digging with it, show you what else it can do. I mean, it has some neat other features for floating, and I mean, we built our jumps over there for the 3-wheeler, and we plow and we turn everything up. It's kind of neat. Not a lot of room to play with this. I should probably move that Saab. Well, I'm gonna hit that tree. Did I miss it? Yes, I missed it. Thank God. All right, I missed that one, but I gotta get a better angle on this one. Man, I'm not sure how this predicament's gonna go. We are way up in the air. I gotta go like over top of this Saab to try to clear this car and this tree. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, wow. go. Oh, there goes one fence. We're not worried about fences, we're worried about dropping cars on other cars. Well, from here on, we don't care. We made it this far. Whew, dodge the Saab. Drop a scrap car on another car wouldn't always be a good thing, but all right. Well, we got through and we're up here. Now what? Well, let's see. I'm gonna try to swing this turn as best we can and set this on that trailer, which I don't think is gonna happen, but you know, we'll see. I'll let you know how it goes. We didn't do any damage to anything that mattered. A little bit to the grass. We weren't worried about the grass. We didn't damage the trailer at all. We got this hunk of junk old thing back on here. Worked perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yet again. And these forks, you drive in, you get the hooks under them, you pick them right up and go, and you can do just about anything you want with them. I mean, look how much room I had to work in here to fit this on this trailer with no room. Car here, a car there, a Saab there. Do everything with this machine. It's awesome. But Mr. Brian's Amazing World, and I tell you, that's some of the things that makes things so amazing around here. We do some neat projects, and I mean, for crying out loud, we have another Subaru right over there ready to go to get the engine out of that and put that in our Baja Bug. And, well, this worked well. We stripped the engine out of it, we took the wiring harness out of it, and put that in that over there, and man, that thing, it rips. Gave new life to it. So now we have a bunch more scrap metal to get on here. We'll throw some washing machines, and maybe we'll play some games with those in a little bit. We'll play like washing machine baseball or something with the backhoe, let her smash some stuff. And I'll show you some more of what this machine could do here as far as digging goes. I don't know what holes I have to do right now, but I do a little grading and other stuff. Thank you. Okay, we have a special little thing we're gonna show you today on Mr. Brian's Amazing World. It is called washing machine baseball. And she didn't really understand how this was going to work here, but I think she may have just figured out how washing machine baseball is played. So, in order to play this game, the first thing you need to do is you gotta get a backhoe and you gotta get a bunch of junk washing machines, and that's the best way to start the game. Now, she's never even used this machine before, so this will be the first example and the perfect way for her to get broken in on it.
I thought we were working.
Work is play if you do it correctly. Now, what I need you to do, throttle up on the throttle lever. Go ahead, I'll tell you when to stop. Don't hit anything, you can pinch me if you do. Okay, get a little higher. All right, now when you're ready, I want you to hit that all the way down. Hold on. Let me get in the right spot. I should almost try to get her view of this. All right. Whenever you're ready, give it full bore all the way. Let me get a little more speed. Give it full bore on that other pedal.
Is the dog clear?
Yep, go ahead.
Are you sure?
Yep, full throttle right there. Go ahead, all the way down. All the way down. Hold on, keep it down. Boom! All right, stop. Woohoo! Home run, I'd say. Isn't that awesome?
This is the best game ever.
Best game ever. Should we try another round?
Yes!
Okay, well go ahead and put the throttle down first. All right, give it a little bit of that pedal there.
Okay.
Just to bring it back. Perfect, stop right there. Okay, we're up for the second inning here. So go ahead, babe, hit the throttle up. There you go, okay, wind up, take your shot. Whenever you're ready, go for it. Ready? Yup. Woo! Now pick it up. Now push it all the way down, real quick, all the way down. Yup. Woo! Crunch. What is that fun? You can pull it up and do it again if you want. You got more, you can go higher. And straight down. I think someone's having fun smashing stuff. Maybe push out a little on that one. Now, crunch. Now that's how you get rid of a washing machine. Mrs. Ryan's Amazing World. We had like 4 or 5 more to go, so go this way a little bit more. Okay, well now the girls are gonna try playing some washing machine baseball, so they've never used the backhoe either, so this should be very fun. We have, you know, our setup is ready. All right, whenever you're ready, go ahead. Rev it up. Go a little more, give it a little more. There you go. Whenever you want. Woo! Hey! Was that fun? All right, go ahead and push the throttle back down. Awesome, you did great. Keep your feet off the pedals. Let me grab this one thing so we don't smash that one. Yeah? Wow. So what'd you think of that?
It wasn't as scary as I thought it was. But the only thing, like, I'm afraid to, like, step on the pedal and then, like, something distracts me and then I forget to, like, lift it off.
Or like you kind of feel like if you step on the pedal, the whole thing's gonna move.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything moves everywhere.
Yeah.
Very, very cool. Okay, we're back from the hospital. She cut her hand restacking this stuff. Got a couple 5 stitches across the top of her hand. So you got to be kind of careful playing washing machine baseball, but she's back at it again. All right, let's see here. Whenever you're ready, you're gonna have to throttle up, so go ahead.
Okay. All right, we're ready?
Go ahead. Hope that was awesome. I know I loved it. Here's our other fun. Right? Go ahead, babe. Let her rip.
This one?
Sure. Wrong one.
How about?
Maybe it's, I don't know. Nope. Nope. That one. Push to me. Real quick. Very nice, very nice. Stand clear and all's good. As long as she doesn't hit the go-kart over there. Straight down again. Second one. Nope, missed it. Nope, pull the other one in. Third one. Yep, nope, that's second. Third, pull that in a little bit. More. You either gotta go up and then pull it in more at the same time. Wrong one. Number 2, pull number 2. She's figured it out now. Crunch. Are you having fun? Yes? That's awesome. Now if you wiggle, go ahead and smash down on it. Now curl the bucket out, number 4. Push that in and out. Pull it, go out first. Grinds it right up pretty much. Fun stuff.